Hello, this is Johan here from Vancouver, Canada, and thank you for dropping by here. I just want to tell you something. It so sparked my interest so much, and I'm pretty sure it will yours. It will spark yours as well. It's a free system. Now, I was skeptical about these free systems. Every time they say free, you go in there, and by the time you open up your eyes, you've spent $50, $100, $200, up to $500, and I was just getting sick and tired of this, and I said no more. Until my friend told me about Online Profit for Dummies that is free. Johan, it's free. So I signed up, I go in there, and when you put in your link below, put in your name, put in your email, and you will see the income that he's generated in a very short period of time. It is only available in the United States, Canada, and Britain at the moment. So anyone else, you cannot get in there. But United States, Canada, and England, yes, you can. It is a free system, and I'm training my wife at the moment to do it. It's easy to understand. The moment you put in your email, you will have access at the back there with all the training. Within a day, you can start your advertising. There's no phone calls to make, it's no MLM and nothing like that. Just put in your email address and you will see what it is. You can always opt out, there's nothing to lose. You can opt out if you want to, but it is a free system. And all the training, everything is in the back office the moment you do that. This is Johan from Vancouver, Canada, and I wish that we can work together and generate some income for you as well. Thanks, bye.